In this session, we are going to learn about division of decimal number. In this topic, we will learn how to divide a decimal number by a whole number and vice versa, and how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So let's move on to our first type of division, that is division of a decimal number by a whole number or a whole number by a decimal number. I am dividing 4.8 by 3. Now express this decimal number as a fraction. So 4.8 equals to 48 by 10. Now 4.8 divided by 3 is equivalent to 48 by 10 divided by 3, because 4.8 can be expressed as 48 by 10 and 48 by 10 can be expressed as 4.8. So either you can write 4.8 or you can write 48 by 10, both are same. So instead of writing 4.8, I am writing 48 by 10. So 48 by 10 divided by 3. Now this is a question of division of fraction by a whole number, and previously we learned that we have to take reciprocal of the second number, that is 3. So here the denominator of 3 is 1, so the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So 48 by 10 divided by 3 is equivalent to 48 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 3. The division of this fraction by whole number is equal to multiplication of this fraction by its reciprocal. This we have learned in the previous session. So now we are going to multiply 48 by 10 and 1 by 3. So multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 48 multiplied by 1 equals to 48 and 10 multiplied by 3 equals to 30. So now convert this fraction as a decimal number. So 48 by 30 equals to 1.6. Now I am dividing a whole number by a decimal number. So I am taking the same number, but now instead of dividing 4.8 by 3, I am going to divide 3 by 4.8. Now 4.8 equals to 48 by 10. So 3 divided by 4.8 equals to 3 divided by 48 by 10. Previously we learned that we have to take the reciprocal of second number. So 3 divided by 48 by 10 is equivalent to 3 multiplied by 10 by 40. We have to take the reciprocal of second number. In the first case, my second number is 3. So I am taking the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3. But in this case, my second number is 4.8, so I have to take the reciprocal of 4.8 or 48 by 10. So the reciprocal of 48 by 10 equals to 10 by 48. So I am multiplying this whole number by 10 by 48. So 3 multiplied by 10 by 48 equals to 30 by 48. Now express this fraction as a decimal number. So the answer comes out to be 0.625. So here if we divide 4.8 by 3, then we get 1.6, and if we divide 3 by 4.8, then we get 0.625. So in this way you can divide a decimal number by a whole number. Now we are dividing a decimal number by another decimal number. So my first decimal number is 1.6 and I am going to divide 1.6 by 4.8. Again I am expressing these decimal numbers as a fraction. So 1.6 equals to 16 by 10 and 4.8 equals to 48 by 10. Now 1.6 divided by 4.8 is equals to 16 by 10 divided by 48 by 10. So now this is a question of division of fractions. Here I am dividing 16 by 10 by 48 by 10, and it is equivalent to multiplying 16 by 10 by the reciprocal of 48 by 10. So first of all we have to find out the reciprocal of 48 by 10. So reciprocal of 48 by 10 is 10 by 48. So I am going to multiply 16 by 10 by its reciprocal. So 16 by 10 multiplied by 10 by 48, which is equals to numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So we get 16 multiplied by 10 upon 10 multiplied by 48. So 16 by 10 multiplied by 10 by 48 equals to 16 multiplied by 10 upon 10 multiplied by 48, which is equals to 160 upon 480. Or you can just simply cancel out 10 from the numerator and the denominator, because 10 is a common factor, so we can easily cancel out. And also 16 and 48 has one common factor, 16 3 ja 48, so we can easily cancel out 16 from numerator and the denominator. So after expressing this in simplest form, we get 16 by 48 equals to 1 by 3.